Start by deciding the scope and budget so you know what is possible before any demolition begins. Begin by measuring the room precisely, including wall lengths, ceiling height, door swings, window placement, and the distance between existing plumbing lines. Create a clear written budget that breaks costs into labor, fixtures, finishes, permit fees, and a contingency of at least 10% of the project total to cover unforeseen issues. Gather inspiration images and annotate them with specific details you like, such as sink style, toilet height, and tile patterns, so selections remain consistent. Check fixture rough in dimensions early so your chosen sink and toilet will fit the measured space. If you want to move plumbing, plan for additional labor and permit time. Choose materials by lifespan and maintenance rather than just initial cost. For example, porcelain tile and solid surface counters last longer and are easier to maintain than cheaper alternatives. If you will hire contractors, ask for itemized bids and a timeline. Verify where payments fall in the schedule and confirm who will obtain permits and schedule inspections. Homeowners often underestimate plumbing relocation costs, so the common fix is to keep fixtures in the current rough-in when possible, or get a detailed plumbing estimate before committing. A second common issue is poor ventilation, which leads to mildew, so include a vent fan sized for the bathroom volume and plan for a duct run to the exterior rather than a recirculating solution. A third frequent problem is selecting fixtures that do not fit the scale of the room. Resolve this by laying out full-size templates on the floor for the sink, toilet, and clearance zones so you can visualize clearances and traffic flow. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project ideas and cost experiences. Our community discussion boards help homeowners and contractors ask questions, swap photos, and compare materials so our members can plan smarter.